despite everything else going on, you look at that sky. Come on. I'm an incorrigible scrapper. Despite everything. Despite all my aches and pains. I mean, it's the thrill of the hunt. Right? You know, when you think about it, look at that. That's about 30 pounds of Romex right there. Despite everything else, outboard motor. Toro weed whacker. But honestly, guys, I gotta get some trucks going. I have to fight my addiction. It's just my mind drives me crazy because I know stuff like this is out there somewhere. But then I suffer endlessly because my stuff is busted and I don't have money to fix it. Everything broken. And the struggle is real. It goes beyond what this camera shows. It goes beyond what my challenge on my channel is to try to express myself, and it's falling flat. Grateful for the 3,700 subscribers that I have, but wow, it is a slow growing thing. Oh, she's kind of hot. What made him look? Breaking the leaves. I have this relationship, and it's killing me. And it's with scrap, you know. It's like my girl. It's like my poison. I can't get away from it. I can't be cured. I mean, this addiction is just so strong that it interferes with me getting things done that I really need to get done. There's something right there. Wait for this Ford van to go by. I'll let them go by. I'm just a sad soul. Hey, there's ZZ Top cutting the grass. Whatever happened to those guys? Are they still alive even? Onward. If you ever want to see any more of my scrapping videos, just please remember to ring that bell.